pretty wet out at the moment, so we'll be avoiding the generic dry line just because of the that's where the rubber is and there is no grip on it at all. There we go, a little bit of oversteer, squeezing the power. Come on. Oh, we got a spinner.
Hi, I'm Adam Christodoulou and welcome to Shanghai International Racetrack. This weekend we're going to be back on board the Toro Racing AMG GT3, the number 63. I'm going to be doing my usual few laps commentary, and then I'm going to be going for a push lap to show you exactly what this car can do around this track.
Hi guys, I'm Adam Christo and today we're on board the Toro Racing AMG GT3. We're at Shanghai International Circuit. It's pretty wet out at the moment, so we'll be doing 2 laps in the wet commentary. Right, so we're hanging out around the middle here. We're going to be going to the outside, really get it slowed down, avoiding the generic dry line just because of the that's where the rubber is and there is no grip on it at all. There we go, a little bit of oversteer, squeezing the power. Come on. There we go, trying to maximize the traction. Heading down to turn 5. We're going to brake off the line because, again, avoiding the rubbered line. Go super deep into the corner, sacrifice the middle, straight on the power, off we go, heading towards under the gantry. Right, so we're going to make it screen through here, staying in the middle, seeing what we can get out of the car. Ooh. There we go, staying off the line here as well, hanging around the middle of the circuit, squeezing the barrel down 1 gear, looking at my exit, just managing what we got, allowing traction control to do its thing, and off we go in a straight line. Heading towards turn 10, hard on the brakes, using all the ABS, getting it really stopped, sacrifice all the middle of the corners. Right, so we're staying really tight here, and then we're going to cross the rubbered line there, we've got understeer, and now we're going to maximise the exit by being on the power as much as we can. There we go, just a little bit of curve, use the little downhill section onto the back straight. We'll try and figure out where we're going to brake. We're going to stay off the generic dry line as well for here, so 200 meters, brake just before the 150 meter. There we go, nice and deep, get it turned. Oh, we got a spinner. Maximising the track. Again, braking off the line, down 2 gears. Got to be nice and careful on the entry, don't want to have any snap oversteer. We'll go for a second lap now. Everything's clear behind us. There's a lot of spray. Right, so braking at about 75 meters, easing off, literally just rolling. There we go, a little bit of power just to keep that minimum speed up all the way around the outside. Come on, let's get it back. There we go. Waiting for the front to grip. Nice and deep here. Let's try really tight on the exit. Oh, there we go. That was better on the traction. As we cross that line, it starts to slip again. We're going to set ourselves up to brake in the middle. Down 2 gears. There, let's try down to first. Get it rotated. Hard on the patch. Traction's pretty good there. Up to 3rd. Up to 4th. There we go, down, oh, got a little wide, there we go. Maintain that speed, just manage that little bit of understeer. Same here, there we go. Get it all back under control, full power, down a gear. Managing this understeer, it's the best way to, oh, there we go. Someone else has had a spin. It's pretty slippy here. See that the other cars are struggling just a little bit. Hard on the brakes, down again. Right, let's go deep into this corner again. What we can try this time is Let's try and go on the normal dry line. Having to short shift just to keep the rear of the car nice and steady. There we go. Now back to full power. Ooh, tried to avoid the curb, but we used it a little bit there. Someone's indicating halfway down the straight, so make sure we get past them before the braking point. There we go, looking good. Try and brake at the 150 meter board. Hard on the brakes. There we go. Actually, that slowed down really well. Let's get it stopped, turn, V-shape the corner. Full power, off we go. Final corner. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, just nurse it through, squeeze the power. And that's 2 commentary laps complete. Let's go for a third lap now. I'm going to concentrate a little bit harder, see what we can squeeze out of this thing.